Is not saving investors money at all today as shares of the discount giant suffered their worst stock decline in 27 years. This comes after the company said its full-year sales would be flat. No thanks to a stronger dollar, with a $20 billion hit to the company's market cap and lower outlook for 2017. Is it still a good bet for investors? Are you ready for this? I've got the guy who says buy it. David Dietze, Point View Wealth Management President and Chief Investment Strategist, with me now. Even before all of this, you said buy Walmart, but now you're increasing the strength behind that message. Why?
Hey, I got 10% off here. But look, at 6.5 years into a bull market, this is the time when you want to be defensive. You want category killers. Walmart is not just a category killer. It owns the space. 10% of all U.S. retail sales through Walmart is the largest retailer on the planet.
They've had a year to do something. Look at this one-year chart.
Yeah, absolutely. But, you know, I distinguish situations where somebody's doing something to them and they're doing it to themselves. The revenues are going to hold up. We've heard that today. They're investing in better wages for their employees. That's an investment.
They're blaming that as what's really costing them so much money.
Yeah, but, you know, it's one of the few retailers that are not unionized. So this way, they're fending off competition there. The other thing, of course, is to make the investments into the internet. So I see this company also returning money to shareholders. You've got that 3% dividend, right, which is more 50% more than the market, 50% more than the average Dow stock.
Okay, prep people on this market. How much lower does it go? We've got a Dow that's really waning at the moment.
Well, I think investors do have to be realistic here. You've got earnings that are going to be down for a second quarter. You've got valuations that are above the 5-year average. So you need to pick your spots. Buy the unloved that are huge, that dominate their space with good dividends.
We've got a debt ceiling that's looming. Sometimes that tends to spook the stock market. Are you concerned?
Well, of course you're concerned, but if there's a real pullback in the spook, buy it. Why? You know, this is goods and services we've already bought. We've got to pay our bills. We've got a printing press. So we are going to pay those debts. And guess what? We're not going to default on the debt. It's going to hurt, you know, Social Security, other payments, but it's not going to last long.
Will you stay tuned to my Jack Lew Treasury Secretary interview tomorrow, 4 p.m. Eastern?
Absolutely. Wouldn't miss it.
It's exclusive because we're talking about that. David Dietze, it's great to see you. Thank you so much. David Dietze is Point View Wealth Management Chief Investment Strategist.